Hello friends, today we are going to solve question 40 of SOM series. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, that is part 2 of SOM series. The link of that video you can get that in description. And if you want to see my earlier videos, then that also you can watch by clicking link in the description. Today we will solve question 40 of SOM series. So question is, find the area of the bounded region between the curves y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2. So here our first step is to draw the diagram. So let's first draw the diagram. So it is cubic equation. So how to draw this curve? We can say 2 here is constant. So let's bring 2 on left hand side. So we get y minus 2 is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square. Now let's assume this is equal to capital Y. So capital Y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square. Now let's equate this equation is equal to 0 to know the roots of the equation. So when we equate 4x cube plus 3x square is equal to 0, we get x square into 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So intersecting point are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3 by 4. So we got these 2 points, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now let's draw the diagram. Here take care that here we have assumed y minus 2 is equal to capital Y. When we have to draw, this is y is equal to 0 line. X-axis is called y is equal to, x-axis is called y is equal to 0 line. And y-axis is called x is equal to 0 because on y-axis x is 0 and on x-axis y is 0. So we have assumed y minus 2 is equal to y. So these intersecting point are not actually on y is equal to 0. These are on y minus 2 is equal to 0. So when we put y minus 2 is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 2. So we have to draw this point on y is equal to 2 equation. This question is tricky because we have to find here how to draw the diagram. We cannot directly draw the diagram by this equating to 0. We cannot find the roots. So this is the proper method to draw the diagram. So here we got y is equal to 2. Now intersecting point are x is equal to 0, this one, and x is equal to minus 3 by 4 will be somewhere here. So this way we have to draw the diagram. Now it is a cubic curve. So now to know the point, let's put some point and see how it is behaving here. So when we put y is equal to 1, we can see it is going to be positive. So this curve will be like this way. It will go up and here it will intersect again at 0, at 2 point it will intersect at x is equal to, this is x is equal to minus 3 by 4 and x is equal to 0. This 2 point it will intersect and then it will go up. You can see that by putting the value. So this way we have to draw the graph. So this is the graph. Here was important step was to know this part. This was the important step. If you missed out this, then you won't be able to solve this question. So our bounded region is this one because we have to find the bounded region between y is equal to 2 and this curve. So this curve is this one and this is the bounded region. So now we know the formula of area is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx. Why I took dy dx? Because we know the limit of x. X belongs to minus 3 by 4 to 0 and y belongs to know the y, when it's dy dx we draw the vertical line. So when we draw the vertical line, we can see it's entering from y is equal to 2 and it's leaving from y is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2. So we got the limit from 2 to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2. So now it's easy. Now you have to just solve this. So area is equal to x is from minus 3 by 4 to 0, y is from 2 to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2, 1 into dy dx. Now integrate 1 with respect to dy. So integrating 1 with respect to dy, we get integration from minus 3 by 4 to 0. Integration of 1 is y. Its limit are from 2 to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2 into dx. If you find that by solving this many problems, now it is easy for you to write directly, then you can write this step directly. You don't need to integrate every time 1. You can directly write this step, upper limit minus lower limit. But if you are a beginner, then make sure you write whole this step so that you don't make mistake. So now upper limit minus lower limit into dx. Now integrate this term with respect to dx. So 2 will get cancelled. So we get area is equal to 4x cube. So 4x cube will be 4x raised to 3 plus 1 4 upon 4 plus 3x cube by 3, and this will get 0 only. And its limit are from minus 3 by 4 to 0. When we will put 0, we get 0 from here also, here also. Upper limit minus lower limit. So this is, so 4 will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled. So minus 3 by 4 whole raised to 4 plus minus 3 by 4 whole cube. So solving this, we get 3 raised to 4 minus will come inside upon 4, and here it will going to be minus. So minus will get plus 3 upon 4, and here is 3 cube upon 4 cube. Now let's take out 3 cube, 4 cube common. So we get 3 by 4 plus 1. Here it is minus 3 by 4 plus 1. So we know 3 cube is 3 into 3, 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. And here by taking LCM we get minus 3 plus 4. It will be plus 1 by 4. So this is equal to, it's 27 upon 4 into 4, 6. 1 will carry, 6 into 4, 24, and 1 carry was there, so 25. So 27 upon 56. This is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you have any query, then you can write in the comment section given below. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. And also press the notification bell for latest video. Thank you.